Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to make the relationship work. From our experience, we know that relationships are not easy and as simple as we think in a practical way. Many couples don't continue their relationship or have a conflict or struggle in their existing relationship due to many reasons. There are so many things we can do to strengthen our existing relationship, but we do less care about small things, and those small things create big problems down the road. We need to understand that working on a relationship must be a mutual understanding, contribution, and effort. Although things may not change overnight, putting a little effort and taking action to build a better relationship every day will certainly become habitual. Here are a few things that anyone can practice to make the relationship work. Number one, find out the root cause of the problems and resolve them through mutual understanding and compromising. If it can't be resolved, talk to someone with positive energy who can show you the right path without being biased, or hire a life counselor. Don't make a mistake talking to whoever you feel comfortable talking to. That may make your relationship worsen. Number two, be honest, respect, and value, support, thought, and perspective of each other. Avoid bad behaviors. Number three, try communicating as clearly as possible. Take developing communication skills training if the cause of the issue is communication. Practice the fundamental 3 C's in relationships and set communication boundaries. Those 3 C's are communication, compromise, and commitment. Number 4, be familiar with each other's likes and dislikes. Don't share your personal and confidential thing with a third person unless both agree to share. Number 5, accept realistic disagreement, because there is no such thing people would agree on everything 100% all the time. Fighting is not a solution unless you want to damage your existing relationship. Number 6, always contribute selflessly 100% of the efforts to take care of each other's needs. Number 7, continue your intimacy and forgive each other for their mistakes. Number 8, plan on doing some work or activities together, such as painting, cleaning the house, working in the garden, watching TV shows or movies, etc. Number 9, avoid external influences to impact your relationship. In the end, what I have found from my experience counseling many couples for years is that more than 90% of their relationship problems come from communication and external resources, or from a third person. I hope you find this information helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.